joined to the Lord is one spirit. That's 1 Corinthians 6 and verse 17. He that is joined to the Lord is what?
One spirit.
Glory to God. So when you're joined to the Spirit, you become what? One spirit with God. So you have to understand that there's a continuity, there's a flow of God on the inside of you. And one of the things that we do that fail us to miss God is that we're seeking for God. If you seek God, that means God is not visible to you. If you're seeking God, that means God is out of your range. That means you have to embrace God, because Philemon 1 and 6 said that faith is made effective by acknowledging every good thing that is in me. And so if you want to flow with God, you acknowledge God, you don't seek God. The Bible also said in Proverbs 3 verse 5 and 6, said to trust in the Lord with all your heart and to lean not in your understanding, but in all your ways to do what? Acknowledge Him. And so my relationship with God is not seeking for a sign, but for acknowledge God. So in the midst of everything that I'm going through, I must position myself to acknowledge that God is in me, that greater is in me, that the power to overcome this is in me. And guess what? I become one because now I'm in agreement. There's a power of agreement that operates on the inside of us that causes us to walk in greater. But what it is that causes us to fail is because we're responding to the existence of a thing and not the substance of it.